I definitely need some milk. So I'm sure you've had a few seconds now to read what's on my apron. Mr. Good Looking is cooking. Compliments of my son who gave me this for Christmas. I really needed a boost in my self-esteem today, so thank you, buddy. I appreciate you and I love you to the moon. That being said, hold on, let me take another swig of my milk. Today is one of those days where stupid things enter my head. Let me give you an example of the kind of stupid things that enter my head. So here's what I had for an idea for a meal. Outside part is a tomato. The eyes and mouth is bell pepper, filled with egg on the inside. So I got to thinking. A couple of months ago, I put out a video on Instagram. Let me show you. Sometimes I come up with these ideas, and in my mind, they belong in a magazine. But the end result isn't always what's up here. Let me show you. Complete fail. That was a complete fail! So I figured, let me start making a series called Fail or Nail, with emphasis on the fail, because more often than not, I fail on a lot of these projects. So I'm thinking, let me make this and see if I can fail or nail this happy-faced little dude. No edits, one take, one shot, and let's see what happens. So let me turn on the stove. There's going to be no instructions here because this isn't a cooking recipe. This is just a matter of, can I nail it or will I fail? Oops. Look what just happened. That's what just happened. My thingamajig light just fell. Alright. Get that back in there. Alright, that allows me. Alright, let me get this. Like I said, no edits. Whatever happens, happens. So, let me show you the blueprint again. The blueprint calls for an outside tomato base. I've had a little too much milk. I've had a little too much milk. So, let's get this outside tomato part going. While excuse me, I just burped. Sorry, guys. Our pan preheats with a little oil. So what do you guys think? Am I gonna be able to nail it or fail it? So I need a head out of this. So let me see. Oh, damn it. You know, I said no edits, and I just screwed that up. Hey, did that just squirt? Alright. Nice, thick, and round. That's what she said. You know what? Let me keep this rated G. I'm going to core this out. And I'll save this for later. I don't know what I'll use it for yet, but I don't want to throw that out. So what I want to do, even though the milk is trying to influence my behavior right now, is let me see if I can carefully carve out what are we gonna call this? The head? The face? No, not the face, the head. The outside head portion of this guy. Now, technically, YouTube is all about aesthetics. Eating is all about aesthetics. If it looks good, chances are it's going to taste good. We eat with our eyes, they say. But I don't have an opportunity to make things look pretty and stop the film and organize things. So it's one shot. Let me get this part out, and I think we're done with the head. I think we called it the head. Alright, there we go. So I think we're good with that. I'm happy with that. That's a nice circle. Get this guy out of the way. Now I need to make eyeballs, and let's go back to our blueprint. Eyes and a mouth. Bell pepper. Let's see. You know what? That looks like a decent mouth. Right? That looks like a good mouth. There's an eyeball. There's the other eyeball. I don't know, that eyeball looks a little different. Just like that. There's our smiley face. Let's see if it matches. Looks good to me. So there we go. That is our, what we're gonna call our foundation. Alright. Now we need to scramble up an egg. Put some salt in it. A couple of puffs of pepper. And beat it. Whisk it. Speaking of beating, I come prepared. Let me show you. Whip it good. Oh yeah. We're gonna whip it. All right. One shot. No edits. I think that looks good. This should be preheated. There's probably a little too much oil. Let me get rid of some of this oil here. What I'm thinking is, speaking of that egg we just dealt with, let me pour it in here so that I can easily and carefully pour it into the head. And I think maybe we should put these guys in first. That's not good that that guy's sliding. I don't like that this guy, let me cut another piece because that guy looks a little too small. Ow. Ow. Damn it. You gonna make me stab you in the eye? Ow. You know what? He's gonna have Toonie. No, I fixed it. No, what, did I fix it? All right. He's gonna have a little bit of Toonie eyes. Oh well. Now let's see if this works. Slowly. Pour in our egg mixture. And in order to allow that to cook a little bit faster, I'm going to cover it up. So while we're waiting, let me show you what's in store for the next actual recipe video. So got some cumin, some corn, some black beans, some minced garlic, cilantro, avocado, onion, and a pita bread. What I'm planning for the next video is a plant-based recipe, so stay tuned for that to come out. I'm gonna let this cook for about a minute or so. In the meantime, I'm making a mess, not a mess, but you know, I don't know what to say. A little bit more milk. Alright. Like I said, one take. That's all we're doing. And let's see if this works. What we're aiming for those of you with short attention spans, is something like this. What do you guys think? Am I gonna nail it or fail it? I don't know what the hell that looks like. But let's give it a flippy flippy! Oh my gosh, really? That's the best one? Come on! You know, in theory, that should have worked. In theory, that should have worked. Damn it! It's starting to look like a giant fail. But that's not going to stop me from trying to make it look pretty. So let me get rid of this side egg here. OMG. Let me see what the other side looks like again. What the hell happened to my face? I ain't even got no damn smile. Damn it. So that side's got no smile, and this side, looks like I failed. That's the way life goes sometimes. I'll see you guys next week here on Cook! Don't be lazy!